How does muscle hypertrophy build muscle? Imagine your muscles as intricate networks of fibers that have the remarkable ability to grow stronger and larger over time. When you engage in resistance training or other forms of strength exercise, you initiate a complex biological process that leads to muscle growth. This process is known as muscle hypertrophy, and it involves several key mechanisms working together at the cellular level. Initially, when you lift weights or perform resistance exercises, your muscle fibers experience microscopic damage or tears. This damage is a normal part of the process and serves as a signal for the body to repair and adapt. The body responds by activating satellite cells, which are specialized stem cells located on the surface of muscle fibers. These satellite cells multiply and fuse with existing muscle fibers, donating their nuclei and increasing the muscle cell's capacity to produce proteins. The repair process involves an increase in the synthesis of muscle proteins, primarily contractile proteins such as actin and myosin. This protein synthesis results in the thickening and strengthening of muscle fibers, making them larger and more capable of generating force. The balance between protein synthesis and protein breakdown determines whether muscle hypertrophy occurs. When protein synthesis exceeds breakdown over a sustained period, muscle growth is achieved. Hormones such as testosterone, growth hormone, and insulin like growth factor 1 play crucial roles in regulating muscle hypertrophy. They enhance protein synthesis, facilitate satellite cell activation, and promote overall cellular repair. Adequate nutrition, especially sufficient intake of protein and calories, provides the building blocks necessary for muscle repair and growth. In addition to cellular changes, muscle hypertrophy involves an increase in the size of the muscle's cross-sectional area. This enlargement results from the addition of new contractile proteins and an increase in the number of myofibrils within each muscle fiber. Over time, consistent resistance training leads to a permanent increase in muscle size and strength. In summary, muscle hypertrophy builds muscle by causing microscopic damage to muscle fibers, which triggers a repair process involving satellite cells and increased protein synthesis. This process results in larger, stronger muscle fibers capable of producing greater force, ultimately leading to increased muscle size and strength.